Hey, what's up everybody, and welcome to Mobile WizTech. This is going to be a very quick video showing you how the Note 10 Plus looks with the Ghostek Covert 3 protective case installed on it. Before I get started, please go ahead, if you haven't done so already, subscribe to my channel and also hit that notification bell so that way you'll stay up to date with new videos that are posted on my channel. I'll first install the smoke colored gray case on the Aura Black Note 10 Plus. There you have it there. Your buttons, it's working just fine. Top cutouts, bottom cutouts, S Pen access, really easy. If you look at that lip, so you should not have any issues with this not protecting your screen against the surface, and then look at that camera lens protection as well. So I think this color looks great with the Aura Black one as well. So now I'll install the smoke colored one on the Aura Glow colored Note 10 Plus. Again, you have access to all of your cutouts, S Pen, camera, and I think this color looks nice with the smoke color one because you still get the effects shining through the smoke back of this case, so smoke clear back of this case. So I think this would be a nice one as well for the Aura Glow colored Note 10 Plus. So now I'll install the pink one on the Aura Glow Note 10 Plus first. There you go. Cutouts, still quick access to the S Pen, easy access to the S Pen, that lip, camera, so you should be protected. And look at that color combination with this case and the Aura Glow, looks pretty nice. And last, I'll be installing the pink colored case onto the Aura Black Note 10 Plus. So again, look at that lip, all your cutouts, S Pen, easy access. So there you have it. There is also an all clear colored version as well, in which all three of these are available on Amazon. So if you are interested, please head to the description, as I'll have all links there. And if you use those links, it truly helps me out. Also, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that way you can stay aware of when new videos are posted to my channel. If you like this video, please hit that like button, comment, and subscribe. I thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.